If you're looking for a quick and easy way to generate story-based emails using AI prompts, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just 3 minutes. The best part? I've tested all the popular software out there, and I'm giving you an exclusive free trial for the one I recommend. Stick around until the end to get access to that and follow along. Let's get started with the basics. First, why do you need story-based emails? Simple. They engage your audience better than regular email blasts. By weaving a story into your emails, you can capture attention, keep readers hooked, and make your message more memorable. So, how do we use AI to generate these types of emails? Let's break it down. The first step is to define your goal for the email. Are you trying to sell a product, share a personal story, or maybe you just want to provide value and build trust? Understanding your goal will help guide the AI prompts. Now, the next step is to think of your story. You want to craft a narrative that is relatable to your audience, preferably one that taps into their emotions. For example, if you're emailing potential clients, a story about someone overcoming a challenge using your service can hit home. The key is to make sure your story aligns with the problem your audience is trying to solve. Once you have your story idea, it's time to use our software to generate content. The software we'll be using has AI capabilities that allow you to input simple prompts and get detailed, engaging text in seconds. You can ask the AI to expand on your story idea, flesh out characters, or even craft dialogue if necessary. When inputting your prompt into the software, focus on making it specific and clear. A good prompt might look like: write an email about a small business owner who struggled to find clients but turned things around after using my service. This gives the AI enough detail to work with and ensure the email stays on topic. As the AI generates your email, keep an eye on the tone and flow. You want it to sound natural and conversational, not robotic. Feel free to edit the text and make adjustments, especially with transitions between the story and your call to action. The goal is to lead the reader from the story to the solution, which is often your product or service, without sounding too salesy. After generating the content, don't forget to add a strong call to action. Make it clear what you want the reader to do next, whether it's to click a link, book a call, or simply reply to the email. A good CTA could be: if you're ready to take your business to the next level, let's talk. Click here to schedule a free consultation. Before we wrap up, let me remind you, the AI software we used is available through an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. You can access it via the link in the description below. Be sure to take advantage of it if you want to follow along and start generating story-based emails yourself. Key takeaway: to generate story-based emails, start with a clear goal, craft a relatable story, use AI to expand on it, and ensure your CTA is compelling. With the right prompts and the right tools, it's easy to create emails that connect with your audience and drive results. To recap, define your goal, come up with a relevant story, use AI to flesh it out, edit for tone and flow, and end with a strong call to action. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.